China's North Industries Group Corporation, Norinco, recently showcased its cutting-edge OW5-A50 laser weapon system during a live-fire exercise at a military proving ground in Inner Mongolia. This demonstration took place amid an industry-focused event highlighting unmanned and anti-unmanned warfare solutions tailored for global defense markets. During the exercise, the OW5-A50 employed a powerful laser beam to neutralize multiple drone targets several kilometers away. Unlike conventional interceptors that rely on missiles or ammunition, this directed energy system disables UAVs by burning critical electronic components, causing the drones to drop out of the sky. The footage revealed rapid target acquisition and engagement, with the laser swiftly switching between several threats within seconds, a crucial feature for handling drone swarms and saturation attacks. Norinco expert Ben Chi emphasized that the laser achieves kills by focusing precisely on vital drone parts and operates with low operational costs by harnessing onboard electric power. The OW5 family includes 3 models, OW5-A10, OW5-A30, and the top-tier OW5-A50, which delivers roughly 50 kilowatts of laser power. The A50 variant is mounted on a heavy 8x8 chassis, likely sourced from Dongfeng or Wanshan platforms, and features a hydraulic mast carrying the laser emitter. This system incorporates a sophisticated sensor suite, combining infrared, visible light optics, and active phased array radar, and houses its own power and control modules. Its integrated generator and battery storage allow for fully autonomous operation without external energy input. Designed to shield convoys and fixed assets from low-flying UAVs, the OW5-A50 can function either independently or as part of layered air defense networks. Norinco highlights the system's rapid retargeting capability, able to engage a new threat roughly 2 seconds after neutralizing the previous one. Its multi-sensor package quickly detects and classifies small, slow-moving aerial targets, including loitering munitions, FPV drones, fixed-wing UAVs, and potentially mortar rounds. Complementing the laser is an electronic warfare suite capable of jamming drone communication and navigation signals beyond 10 kilometers, disrupting enemy UAV operations before or alongside laser takedowns. The laser can fire continuously for up to 3 minutes with brief cooldowns, ensuring sustained defensive action during intense engagements. While Norinco suggests the OW5-A50 might eventually counter larger threats such as mortars or helicopters, these capabilities remain unconfirmed by independent observers. The demonstration also featured a coordinated operation involving manned and unmanned systems within an OODA loop framework: observe, orient, decide, act. A BZK-005E medium to high-altitude UAV provided battlefield reconnaissance, feeding data to AI-driven command centers that formulated strike plans. These included deploying FL-300A anti-radiation loitering munitions against radar sites and FL-60A rocket-launched drones targeting armored vehicles. Ground unmanned assets delivered precision strikes, while Golden Eagle 500B unmanned helicopters participated in saturation attacks. The OW5-A50 served as the terminal defense layer, working in conjunction with missile systems and anti-aircraft artillery to intercept low-altitude drone threats. Since 2024, Norinco has aggressively marketed the OW5 laser series internationally, presenting the OW5-A50 at major defense exhibitions in Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Qatar, and the UAE. The system debuted as a static display at the 15th Zhuhai Airshow in November 2024 and appeared again at the IDX Expo in Abu Dhabi in early 2025. Offered under the Sky Shield brand, Norinco emphasizes the OW5-A50's cost efficiency, with per-shot energy expenses reportedly only a few yuan, making it an economical alternative to kinetic interceptors. Official claims state the system has been tested against over 110 drones during simulated high-activity scenarios. Defense analysts draw comparisons to Israel's Iron Beam laser, which boasts power ratings of 100 to 150 kilowatts, noting that while China's system is rated at 50 kilowatts, it effectively fits into multi-layered air defense concepts suitable for both fixed and mobile operations. The OW5 OW5-A50 is China's most powerful laser system in this class, equipped with a 50 kilowatt beam, an advanced fire control radar, electro-optical targeting sensors, and self-sufficient power generation housed on a high-mobility 8x8 truck chassis. Other Chinese laser defense platforms include SEC's Silent Hunter, a 30 kilowatt system exported to Saudi Arabia and reportedly used successfully against Houthi UAVs, as well as the Tiandun laser, credited with neutralizing dozens of drones in recent tests. State media footage displays multiple Chinese laser systems disabling drones with visible laser burns. There are also reports, unconfirmed, of similar systems being supplied to Iran and Russia, with images circulating of drones showing laser damage attributed to Chinese technology. Positioned as an advanced evolution in this category, the OW5-A50 offers higher output, longer firing duration, and deeper integration within networked multi-domain warfare. Norinco and affiliated analysts underscore the OW5 series as a strategic response to the rising threat of low-cost, low-altitude aerial assaults from drone swarms and FPV attacks. Conventional missile interceptors and rapid-fire guns often have high per-engagement costs and logistical burdens. The OW5-A50's modular design, autonomous functionality, and low operational expense make it an attractive supplement to traditional air defense assets like HQ-9 and HQ-16 missile systems. Its flexibility supports deployment in border defense, convoy protection, critical infrastructure security, and urban environments. Norinco's export focus targets nations facing persistent drone threats but lacking expensive missile defense infrastructures, especially across the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Africa. The system's architecture reflects broader Chinese military modernization trends emphasizing artificial intelligence, autonomous power, and integrated command networks. The July 2025 live demonstration in Inner Mongolia marked a public milestone in China's pursuit of operational directed energy weapons for air defense. The exercise showcased a comprehensive, multi-stage scenario involving UAV reconnaissance, precision strike, and layered terminal defense. The OW5-A50 operated alongside missile batteries, anti-aircraft guns, unmanned loitering munitions, and manned armored vehicles such as the VT-4A tank and SH-16A howitzer, highlighting its role in combined arms operations. While some claimed capabilities await verification, Chinese media broadcasts provided clear visual proof of the OW5-A50's drone engagement performance. Its future integration into China's layered air defense systems and export success will depend on ongoing demonstrations and international interest in directed energy technologies.